and welcome again to my channel. My name is Lizzie and this is Sleeknotchsolutions. Here we learn basic DIYs on how to make fabric roses, headbands and other household stuffs. So today I'll be making this beautiful scrunchy headband, and the measurement I used for this is 4.5 centimeter unfold for the width, and then for the length I used 17.5 unfold. That is altogether 35 inches for the full length of this. And then this is the elastic casing I'm showing you on the screen. I used 14.5 inches for the length, and I used 1 inch for the width because the elastic band I'm using is a 1 inch elastic band. So I just used 1 inch for the width and then 14 inches, 40.5 for the length. And this is the extra pieces that we're going to be using to make our gathers to form our headband design. So I made that 14 inches for the length. The width is you can use any inches you want, but just make it small. You don't really need to turn it, but I did turn mine. This is me putting the elastic band through the casing. The elastic band I used is 7 inches for the length, and then I'll close the both end of the elastic. So now we'll go ahead to pass the fabric piece inside the casing we made for our headband, the top of our headband. So this is supposed to form the gathers at the top of the headband. So just pass that through this channel. I'll be dropping the list of the measurements and the fabric used in the description box. Please ensure you click and you go through it. And after passing it through, and we have the other end of the fabric, the little part remaining, we'll have to sew that part with the elastic casing that we have made, just to make sure our work comes out very neat. So this is how I like to do mine. You put your elastic, the right side facing the right side of the other fabric, and then you cover it with the ends of the fabric. You use that to cover it and sew it to turn it over. After sewing, you see what I'm talking about. You just sew this part down and then you cut it out. That is why I added the half-inch allowance. So you just sew that down. You can see how neat it is. So we'll go ahead and continue to pass the fabric inside this to the other side. For the length of the fabric inside, you can make it 15 inches. If you've watched to this time, thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. So we are done passing our fabric through the casing. So now we'll bring the second end of our elastic band, and then we'll sew it the same way we did for the other end. And that will be all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share this video, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply. See you in my next video. Bye bye.